Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit videos using CapCut, which is a very beginner friendly, user friendly video editor, especially if you're a new YouTuber. So you're just going to click the app and then click on to where it's written new project. And when you do this, you select a video that you'd like to use. You can select as many videos as you want and pictures as well. Once you're done, you add and you begin the editing process. So that's just about the app. So the button on your left is the mute button, which mutes the whole audio. So it just makes it easy for you to start editing. So you then click the edit button and then start to edit your video. So those are the options that I'm going to be looking at under the edit. There is the split, where you can split your video, and when you click the center button, what then it does is you get the ability to put in transitions. So you're just going to be putting in transitions on your videos. So there are different types of transitions. They're super cool. There's just a variety. I mean, this is why CapCut is one of the best apps. I'm really in love. It has made editing easy and fun for me. I've really enjoyed my experience with CapCut. It really taught me more. And yeah, I'm grateful. So these are the different transitions you can choose to apply to all. If you want one transition for all your slits, right? If you don't, then you can just change. So right now I'm just changing the transition, so you guys just see how that does. So the next thing under edit is your speed. You can either choose the option of having the normal speed range, where you change it. It could be fast, very fast, or very, very slow, right? So this depends on what you want. You can make it very slow, you can make it very fast. It just goes on with what you want. And then the second option is the curve. So this is a mixture of slow and fast. So you can edit to suit where you want the video to be fast or where you want the video to be slow. So it has got so many options when it comes to this curve. You just create what you want. So I love that about this application. The next button is on the volume. You can reduce the volume, increase the volume, especially when you are adding sound onto your video. That's where the volume button comes in handy. The next is the animation. The animation is good for intros and outros. So it's just a way of having your video enter into play. So there's the in, then there's the out. The out is just the outro, so how your video will transition when it's going out, basically, which is a good thing. I mean, it just adds that extra spice to your videos. So next, you've got the combo. It's a mixture of the intro and outro. It's super cool. You guys should definitely try it out when you're editing videos. Then you've got the delete button to delete videos that you don't want. Then you've got the option to remove your background and the one to edit your videos. So the first one is to either rotate your video. You can rotate it, you can mirror it, and then you can also crop it the way you want to suit the format you're going to be using. So there's a great options that you can utilize. I mean, just look at that. We've got so many options. So yeah, next up we've got the we've got the filters. The filters are good in terms of changing your background, changing the color. Really interesting. Then of course we've got the face changer. You alter, just basically you're filtering your face. You can whiten your teeth. You can just play around with your body, if you want to appear thinner, slimmer, etc. This is just an enhancer, right? The next one, we've got the opacity. So in terms of if you want to blink or something, if you want to mask and hide certain people's faces, it's a very good tool, right? And then there's the Chrome key for zooming in and focusing, which is a good asset as well. Then you've got the overlay, right? So you can add your overlay, right? You can just add your overlay. This is good for when you're trying to add videos on top of a video. So you know how people add those funny laughter videos, that's how you do it. You add the overlay, and that is what will appear. Look at this cute baby that I found on my phone. Very adorable. Right. So next up, you've got your replace button, your stabilize, your opacity, your voice effects, your copy, reverse, and just great tools that you can use when editing videos. Then you've got your music option where you can add music. There's music from the app, from CapCut. You can choose that. Then there's music from extracted from your videos. Then there's music from their application. Then these are my favorites. Then also you can insert music from your device. So those are the songs that I have on my phone, the super cool playlist. I love gospel music. I'm very keen on that. So yeah, that's just basically it. So you also have the ability to record an audio, a voiceover, so which is a great tool, especially for YouTubers. Then you can add your text as well. Type in your text. You can change the font style. You can change the font size. You can change the font. You can just have different fonts, the font styles, the font types. Then there are effects to the way your words come out. Then there's the bubble if you want bubbles, and then there's the animation. This is where this is how your letters transition. So if you don't want to be just plain, when you want a little bit of drama in terms of how your texts appear, right? So under that you can text to speech, you can delete, you can track, you can have effects, and so on. Then there is the template. So if you want those, subscribe to my channel or like my Instagram page, this is where you get it. Okay. So you also have your stickers. You can put stickers. Yeah. So next up is the stickers. Then there's the overlay, which I explained. Then there are video effects, right? Filters. Then there's the format. So this is the overall format that you get when displaying your video. So normally when you are using YouTube, it's the 16:9 ratio, right? So that's the one that's perfect for YouTube. So the normal one was the one I was using for on Snapchat, and then this one is the YouTube ratio. So you can also remove your background, change your background, add color to your background, like what I'm showing you right now. So you can blur it as well when you press the canvas. When you click the video, you can remove the background, and this is how it will appear in case your background is shady. And when you do that, you go to the canvas and add a background that you want, right? So I've just restored my background. So when it comes to saving the video, there is options of the quality you want, and when you get the quality you want, the highest being 10,080, you can just go ahead and save, and it will export to your gallery. So it's as simple as that, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This CapCut Pro is the best application that I've used So far, I've really enjoyed my time using it. And one thing I love about it is it does not have a watermark. So it makes it easy for you guys to use and it doesn't leave that watermark there. And the good thing that I loved about it is you can record and edit at a high quality without even getting the CapCut Pro. So it's got so many things and functions that you guys can use that are really interesting and that would help you. So do get the CapCut Pro, do download it. I will leave it linked down below. Have a good day and may the good Lord bless you.